Hey guys, today we are continuing to work on modeling and solving two-step, one-variable equations. And notice this time we're given the equation and they want us to model it and then represent the mathematical procedure or the algebraic steps. So the first thing I need to do is model. So I see I have three x's, which I can represent with x, x, and x. And 6 negatives, which I can show as 6 minuses. If you want to represent this using integer chip looking circles that are colored in or not, that works too. This is completely up to you. And all of that is going to equal a positive 3. So I'm going to put 3 pluses. So I'm going to rewrite my equation on the far hand side, so that I can show all of my algebraic thinking as we solve, using both the model and the equation itself. So I remember from what we talked about last time that my goal is to isolate the variable, or to get the variable all by itself so I know its numerical value. And part of that means getting variables one side, all of the numbers to the other, and I can manipulate equations using inverse operations or opposite operations. So right now I have 6 negatives, and the inverse of that would be to create a zero pair using 6 positives. So I've put 6 positives on the left-hand side, which means I must also put 6 positives on the right-hand side. And when I go to simplify that, all of my negative 6s and my positive 6s on the left create a big zero pair. So I am left with just 3x. I'm going to redraw that down here. 3x's equal to 9 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can represent that with my mathematical procedure, because again, negative 6 and positive 6 made 0, which left me with 3x is equal to 9 positives. So again, I'm not quite there. I want to know what one individual x is equal to, so I can share the positive 9 equally amongst each of the 3 x's. So I'm essentially dividing into 3 groups. So if we look at the mathematical procedure, each x will equal 3. And let's see if our representation, our model, shows the same thing. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each one will get 3. So then final thing, we know that 1x is equal to 3 positives, which matches what I got with my algebraic process. And now we can go and we can check our work. So I'm going to take the value that I got for x, which was 3, and I'm going to plug it into the original equation. I'm going to substitute it in. So I'm going to say 3 times 3 minus 6, does that equal 3? Well, 3 groups of 3 makes 9, minus 6 is equal to 3. That is true. We have checked our work, we have solved, and we have checked, so we are right. All right, guys, thank you.